Hey, listen, I put together 3 recipes that I feel like you really need to add to your menu today, and I put them all in a video right here for you, okay? In this first one, we're gonna be doing a dirty Alani, and we're gonna be adding some cream of banana from Tirani. Trust me, this one is a sneaky banger, and I think it's because of the banana. Sometimes that banana registers a little bit different than other flavors, but when you put it in with the orange kiss Alani and the dragon fruit Tirani, bro, them things are crazy. So let's just move on to the next one. In this one, we're going to be making a passion fruit dirty Red Bull. And trust me, there's not too many ingredients that you need to add to the passion fruit, because that one is just so delicious that you won't even have to add too many other things. Now, sometimes I like to add a little bit of vanilla, but you could do a little bit of white chocolate too, just to give it more of that creamy texture. You go ahead and give it a good spin, stir it up, add some whipped cream, and bro, trust me, this one is so good. You have to add it to your regimen. All right, so in this next one, let's just move on, and we're going to be doing a blue raspberry dirty soda from Blackberry. Now look, you may not be able to find this one everywhere, but this one is just so good that it's a part of our secret menu, and I had to show you guys what type of drinks we're really banging out over here. Okay, he added a little bit of white chocolate, roughly around 1 ounce, and then we went ahead and added in that coconut milk from Silk. These 3 flavors alone will have anybody turning around and double backing on that drink and saying, hey, I need another one because mine is already gone. Trust me,